Political appointments are there in every government, and it happens in every system. So there's nothing wrong in it. Even in the past, the previous governments have justified that political appointments are there. And these are not very large financial implications that one has to look at, that it's creating a complete thing. So it's a way of really to involve the grassroots political leaders also in it. I think what is important for everybody to question actually is the effectiveness of these appointments, the effectiveness of these boards. And I think that is what is important for me as an individual. Appointment, yes, we have to do, we're doing. We want to involve the grassroots people, we want to involve political leaders in the system. But as I said, I've been very particular that they should function also. So you'll be happy to know just about 2-3 weeks back, I had a meeting with their Employment Generation Council, the board is there. I had a meeting with them, and I have asked them to submit 2-3 proposals, do homework, and find out ways in which we can generate different employment. I had a meeting also with the other boards that are there, like like MTDC and other boards. We keep meeting, like MIDC. So like that, I am very active also in ensuring that not only should they be appointed, but they should also be productive. We had a board meeting of the Eco Development Board also. So like that, what is important, as I said, is that whatever we're doing should have a positive impact and should have a positive parties. We have 6 to 7 political parties that are part of our coalition. You will also be happy to know that we have rationalized the benefits that are given to different political appointees. After rationalizing, even going touching 170, we are hardly paying a bit more than 12 lakhs per month additional to accommodate another 50 appointments that we did. So just by going 12 lakhs rupees a month, 50 more political appointments were made. So we rationalized the amounts and rationalized the rates being given, and tried to, within the similar amounts, just a plus minus, as I said, of 10 lakhs, we're able to accommodate another 50 people. I think that's a very positive thing.